starting with my oil mattifier. Next, I'm going to use my Time Wise. And I use the Matte Wear in Bronze W140. So for my under eye, I'm going to use the Mary Kay Cream to Powder. So now I'm going to slightly set that down. For the eyes, I am going to still apply my concealer. That's going to act like my primer. So for our makeup look today, we're going to be using this gorgeous palette, which I think is perfect for the season, right? It's great for Valentine's Day or any day, honestly. And yeah, let's go in. So I'm going to first start with this middle shade here, which is Dusty Rose. Beautiful, beautiful pink. We're going to pop that in our crease. So next we're going to go in with the shade here, which is Merlot. Going to use that to deepen our crease. So next we're going to go in with this beautiful shade right here, and we're going to put that on our lids, and I'm going to use my finger for this one. So pretty. Okay, next we're going to contour the face. So now I'm going to grab a blush, and I'm going to use WINEBERRY, this beautiful color.
Flexing on the beat.
I'm going to pop it right there. For my lips, I'm going with the Rose Pink Liquid Matte Lipstick. Next, I'm going to go with my Panorama Mascara. So to finish up my look, I'm going to go in with the Mary Kay Blush Scent. I love this fragrance, you guys. It is so good. It smells really yummy. And that's my look, you guys, using this beautiful palette by Mary Kay. Remember, you can always customize your own compact and pick colors that's suited for you and your style. All right, have a great Valentine's Day and have a blessed day. Bye.